I've had my Ender 3 Max Neo 3D printer for about 12 months now, and I hadn't used it for a couple of months. And I've just gone to start it up the other day, and setting up for auto honing. Now the printhead's stuck in the corner. It's making a funny noise. Now there it is. We've got a honing failure, eh? I've tried to go through customer care to get it fixed up. Tried searching the web to try and get it fixed up, but there's no real solution for it. So it looks like it's died, as I was just about to use it to print out a case for my 7-inch LCD monitor for my Raspberry Pi 5, but it's died, so it looks like I need to buy a new 3D printer. Well, now I'm happy again. Finally my new 3D printer has arrived. It's a Creality V3 Plus printer, and it's working sensationally. So it's about halfway through a 1-hour build. I'm just printing out a case for the 7-inch LCD screen at the moment. I need to also print out a holder for my camera module 2, so I can finish off month 3 this project. And it's about an hour through it's about an hour through a 2-hour print at the moment, so it's chugging along very nicely, using black PLA filament, so it's a little bit hard to see, but it's currently printing out the back side or the rear side of the case for the 7-inch LCD screen at the moment, going along very nicely. So can't wait till it's finished and be able to showcase my AI assistant shortly. Cool.